How to get line of credit for new business. Congratulations, you started a new business and you are ready to get funded. Did you know that there are literally billions of dollars ready to fund your new business? In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to get that business funding, how to build business credit, and how to transform your life with that new business line of credit. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, no, you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process for new businesses to get a line of credit fast. I'm going to share with you how my students are getting at least $10,000 for their business in a matter of weeks, not months or years. And I'm going to share with you some super secret ways to get approved for a line of credit, even if you have bad credit. There are so many benefits to getting business credit and getting a line of credit. Obviously, business credit and business funds will allow you to get more funding. You may not know this, but banks and lenders are willing to lend a lot more money to a business to grow a business than they are willing to lend to you personally to maybe pay off your credit cards or go on vacation. Banks and lenders love lending to businesses because America and the United States economy is all around businesses, creating jobs and growing the economy. The economy depends on businesses, so banks and lenders love giving business funds so that they can grow their business and businesses can continue on. Another benefit of business credit is it separates your personal credit from your business. Obviously, having business credit is creating a separate entity or creating credit in that separate entity so that you are not personally putting that on your own personal credit report or relying on your own personal credit in order to get funding for your business. Business credit, again, will allow you to get more funding and will allow you to separate your business and your personal credit together. Number 3, business credit will allow you to grow your business faster. There is only so much you can do with your personal credit, and business credit and business funding is designed for businesses, meaning your personal credit was never designed to fund your business. Your business credit and business funding is for businesses, and that is why you can grow a business faster with business credit. Another benefit of business credit is it will help you protect your personal credit, and in many cases, you can transfer your personal debt onto your business. If you are like me, maybe you have used your own personal credit cards to fund your business and it has dropped your personal credit score. But once you start getting business credit cards, business lines of credit, you literally can pay off your personal credit card and start transferring that debt to your business and then paying the business credit cards or the business lines of credit so that you can protect your own personal credit and keep your own personal credit score really high. And last but not least, the biggest benefit of business credit is that it is repeatable. You can create multiple businesses, create multiple business entities, and get business credit for every single entity. It is a repeatable process that you can do over and over to create millions of dollars in business credit and in business funding to grow all of your businesses so that you are not having to fund all of your different business ideas and your business ventures. So let me quickly explain the difference between business credit and personal credit. Many of you guys already know when it comes to business credit, there are 3 credit bureaus. You have Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. These 3 credit bureaus will report your personal credit to those bureaus and give you a FICO score. Your trade lines are different accounts that you have opened up, and your personal credit is based on some things that your business credit is not. In personal credit, they care a lot about your credit utilization, meaning how close to your credit limit are your balances. For example, if you have a personal credit card and you have a limit of $1,000 and you have charged $600 or $700 or $800, that will negatively impact your personal credit score. This is very different on business credit. I'll explain that in a second. Additionally, with personal credit, they will look to see what your mix of credit is. Do you have credit cards like revolving accounts versus auto loans, installment accounts, or mortgages? They care very much about the mix of credit, and they care about your debt ratio, how much of the money that you make versus how much of the credit that you use. Business credit is completely different. Let me explain that. When it comes to business credit, there are also 3 credit bureaus. You will have Equifax Business, Experian Business, and you have Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet is the biggest and largest and longest business credit reporting agency that there is. They are the #1 business credit reporting agency, and most banks and lenders will report to Dun & Bradstreet for business credit. But when it comes to business credit reporting, they are looking for different things. You will not be negatively impacted so much by how much you're using the credit cards. You will be rewarded for using them and how well you make your payments. Business credit is a lot easier to use. Instead of a FICO score, you will have a paydex score, for example, on your Dun & Bradstreet credit report, and it will range from 0 to 100, with a score over 80 being really good. Additionally, there are lots of lenders. I have made an entire video teaching you on this. Make sure you watch this entire playlist on business credit, because I'm not going to go over it in this video on how to quickly build business credit without spending a lot of time or money. Now, quick side note, you can build business credit even if you have bad personal credit, but you can easily fix your personal credit with my friends at Creative Credit Solutions. I've put a link below because you can easily fix your personal credit and get even more in business funding with a good personal credit score and a good business credit score. So if you have bad credit, do not worry about that. You can get your personal credit scores fixed really quickly, and you don't have to necessarily spend a lot of money. Again, use the link below to Creative Credit Solutions if you have bad personal credit, so that they can help you get good personal credit. And again, you can get good business credit even with bad personal credit, and you can start building your business credit while fixing your personal credit. So check that out below, and I have more to share with you. So here's how you'll get a business line of credit. If you have a good personal credit score, you literally can go to most major banks, open up a business checking account, and they will offer you business credit cards, business loans, and business lines of credit. I've literally had students walk into Bank of America, Chase, and Wells Fargo and open up a business checking account and immediately get offered $50,000 in a business line of credit. They just had to personally guarantee it with their personal credit report. Now, in many cases, it will not report on your personal credit report. However, your personal scores will be used and you will be a personal guarantor. This is a fast and easy way to start building business credit and get business funds for your business just by doing one thing. Many people are afraid of being a personal guarantor. However, if you are really serious about building and growing your business, I strongly suggest it. It's something that I have done, and my students have done it as well. The key is learning to make more money, and if you can get the money that you need for business credit, business funds, to run ads, to buy inventory, to market your business, it is well worth the investment, and it's surely okay if you have to personally guarantee it in order to get hundreds of thousands of dollars for your business. If you have bad credit and you want to just build business credit without having to go into a bank and open up a checking account, you can do so with a simple process of getting a Dun & Bradstreet number and opening up some vendor accounts, and then getting store credit, and then getting cash credit cards. You literally can build business credit while having bad personal credit. In fact, I have an entire playlist and video that I'll send a link to right here, and you can watch that entire video that will teach you the entire process on how I was able to build business credit even with bad personal credit. But again, if you have good personal credit, don't hesitate to go, like I said, to a bank and get those lines of credit immediately. Last but not least, you can go to funding brokers or business consultants that can help you build business credit and get you a line of credit even for a new business. This is absolutely possible. We have more opportunities now than ever before to get business lines of credit even for new businesses. You literally can do this whether you have bad credit or good credit. There are tons of lenders looking to lend to your business with all different kinds of creative ways to get you business funds that you need in days, not weeks or months. If you are looking for a funding broker and a consultant that can help you with business credit, go to the link below for Justin Merch Consultant. Justin Merch is the owner of Creative Credit Solutions, and he helped me fix my personal credit. He can also help you fix your business credit and help you get business funding. Justin is an amazing entrepreneur that has had his own business. I've known Justin for many years, and Justin Merch Consultant has helped me and my students get hundreds of thousands of dollars in their business's name and funding for their business. Call Justin Merch today, use the link below, and go to Justin Merch Consulting to help you get all of your business funding and help you build business credit really quickly. Business credit can change your business, and it is time for you to take action today. Don't wait. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.